How to delete post in the Bereal app. If you have been using the Bereal application and wondering on how to delete a post that you have posted on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application. Just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to delete the post, tap onto your profile icon at the bottom, just right here. Select it. Then you will find your post that you have posted, just right here. Now tap onto one of that post, just like this. Then here you can find three dot lines at the top, just right here. Then select it. After that, here you can find delete my Bereal, just right here. Now tap on it to delete it. Tap on it. Then simply choose one of these options that why do you want to delete your Bereal. Now simply choose one of these and tap on to yes, I'm sure, just like this, and simply tap on to the confirmation of delete. Tap on it. And now you can see your post has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete your post in the Bereal app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.